Here's how to join a group on Roblox. Groups are now called as communities. So first of all, you need to launch your web browser, then go to roblox.com and log into your account. Now hover your mouse to the left-hand side of the screen, and there you'll get the option of communities, that is between transactions and themes. Go ahead and tap on that. Roblox changed groups to communities, so that's what we are looking for. Once you're in the communities section, you'll see the communities you're already a part of. To join a new one, click on See All beside the communities option. And now you can browse all available communities. You can search for a specific community or scroll through the options like Rumble Studios, Building and Roleplay, and all. When you find one, go ahead and click on it, and then select Join Community option, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. You'll get the indication of successfully joined the community in the top of the screen highlighted in green color. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.